Well, we just stopped waiting on trucks out here in Louisiana. Got my boy Timbo up here on the roller. Breakdown man. Oh, second breakdown man right here. What's going on? Double L, Lazy Lester. Waiting on truck. Trying to get 1,000 tons tonight. We gotta be out the road by 5. Couldn't get it on the road at 10. What you say, Brett? How many loads we can get out tonight? It's the asphalt life. It's what we're doing waiting on trucks. It's out here goofing off, having fun. So here's the shuttle buggy, paver, running 2 ski poles, 3 cents on each side, getting a good ride. Rubber tire still rolling back there. Got the finish man waiting on him to get done. Paver operator. We got Blue Flame. What up, Blue Flame? What up, boy? Trigger man up there. Y'all subscribe to me, Jonathan Cook, for some more videos, some funny videos, any kind of videos. I just got started. So y'all subscribe to me. It's under Jonathan Cook.